Giraffe does not publicly guarantee a VIP tier with the same benefits for every user, so whether it is worth it depends on what features are available in your account. By the end, you'll know how Giraffe VIP rewards work, what to check before spending extra time chasing a higher status, and how to decide if the benefits are useful for you. Giraffe rewards are mainly connected to completing eligible activities inside the app. A VIP or higher tier system, if available, may depend on your account activity and the features currently offered to you. The first step is checking your own Giraffe account. Open the app and look for any VIP section, special rewards, bonus offers, or account benefits that are shown there. A VIP tier is only useful if the extra benefits improve your experience. Before focusing on reaching a higher level, compare the available rewards with the time required to complete activities. For example, if a VIP feature gives you access to special offers or additional rewards, check whether those options actually match the games or tasks you normally complete. A feature is only valuable if you use it. Avoid spending extra time only to chase a badge or status without understanding what you receive in return. Review the benefits first and decide if they are relevant to your goals. Another thing to remember is that reward app features can change over time. The benefits shown in your account are more reliable than information from old screenshots or videos. If you do not see a VIP option inside Giraffe, it may simply mean that the feature is not available for your account at that time. Check the app regularly for updates or new offers. The best way to get value from Giraffe is to focus on eligible activities, understand the requirements, and use features that provide clear benefits. The key points are that VIP availability can vary. You should check your own account for current benefits, and a higher tier is only worth pursuing if the rewards match the time you spend. Your next step is to open Giraffe. Check whether a VIP section appears in your account, and compare the listed benefits before changing how you use the app. If this guide helped you understand Giraffe VIP tiers, like the video and subscribe for more app explanations and reward guides.